For 2 years, Day and Night News has been focusing sharply on North Indian states of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and Delhi besides Chandigarh. During this time, Day and Night News has covered every significant news development in these states fairly and diligently.
टेलीविजन पर पंजाब विधानसभा की वोटों की
It has covered big ticket events like the Punjab Assembly elections in early 2012.
6 मार्च को सारा दिन सिर्फ डे एंड नाइट न्यूज पर।
We telecast news on the hour, every hour, round the clock, round the year.
इस मुद्दे पे जो जज की ये टिप्पणी आई है, अब इसको
We
कैसे
analyze top stories of the day in Prime News.
ये जो फ्रेंडली मैच हो रहा है ये INLD का कांग्रेस का ये फ्रेंडली मैच है हुड्डा कर चोटाला का।
ਅਸੀਂ ਤਿੰਨ ਤਖਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ ਛੱਡਣਾ ਚਾਹ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਸ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਹੱਕ
The
ਹੈ।
contentious issues of the day are discussed threadbare in Prime Debate.
तुम ही कहो ये अंदाज़े गुफ्तगू क्या है?
So do you think there is a serious problem that we have on our hands?
Front Page is a niche show for news viewers who are also newspaper readers. It dissects with newspaper editors the treatment of news in various dailies published from this region. Day and Night News takes its news seriously, whether it is happening in the North India or in its immediate neighborhood in the state capital region. Day and Night Special deals with a significant and substantial subject based on both the currency of news and the currency of interest. Day and Night Investigation unravels the greatest mysteries of this region which lie buried in the shroud of secrecy. In our weekly show, Fair and Square, the Day and Night News managing editor Kanwar Sandhu speaks to the renowned decision maker of the region about his or her trials and tribulations, achievements and hopes. Besides adrenaline-pumping hardcore issues, we hold a cozy conversation with the creator of creativity of this region. Home Abroad is a window to the North Indian diaspora in Canada, the US, the UK and Australia. It takes this region, particularly Punjab, to the world and brings back home a slice of diaspora life. Day and Night Sports is our daily window on sports where we present local, regional, national and international sporting events.
Welcome again. Cinema की चटपटी खबरें एक के बाद
Marigold is a daily string bead of Bollywood and other entertainment stories. Splendid, soulful and soothing, much like the fragrant flower. For music lovers, there is a daily half-hour show, Moja Hi Moja.
Chinese should be scared of a air threat. We have 14 airfields, out of which 10 are at ground level.
Defense Line is a premier weekly show which focuses on issues of defense, security and strategic affairs. This is the only show of its kind on Indian television.
Nobody will come. That is for sure. You will have to fight it all alone.
The J&K, Northeast and at least 2 other states in India.
Sadda Pardesda is a daily prime-time show on weekdays on immigration that helps viewers fulfill their dreams of studying, working and settling down abroad.
मेरे फलाना रिलेटिव्स गया सी या मेरा फ्रेंड गया सी मेरा कज़न गया सी ते उन्होंने जांदी उत्थे जॉब मिल गई ते मैनू भी जांदी जॉब मिल जाएगी. It is all myth.
In our daily interactive show, Healthline, specialist doctors are invited to the studios to discuss preventions as well as cures with the viewers.
आज की डेट में जो डायबिटीज़ बहुत कॉमन है, डायबिटीज़ कोई इस ऑपरेशन का कंट्राइंडिकेशन नहीं है.
Our daily show Gurbani carries multilingual transliteration and translation of the verses of the Adi Granth to help viewers comprehend the meaning easily.
कांग्रेस महासचिव राहुल गांधी ने साफ कहा है कि
Those who are busy, they speed news every day which cuts out the unnecessary detail and presents thin slices of most important news developments.
इस बार लंदन में भारतीय दल ओलंपिक्स में अब तक का सबसे बड़ा दल है.
The team at Day and Night News has an unflinching commitment to fairness in the reportage, elegance in the presentation, diversity in the opinion and variety of subjects in the shows to be able to effectively serve the news and information needs of the viewers.